crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and thanks for dropping in for the final day. It is hard to believe, like the month is almost half over. Not quite, but we're on day 12, December 12th, and this has been the 12 Days of Quilting unboxing of the Open Gates quilt box for 2024. I will have to say, I'm kind of glad in a way, because I'll be honest, trying to even post a 4-minute video every day is a lot of work, especially when you're still working full time. Same time, it's a lot of fun. And the worst part is I don't get any more gifts. So I have been really overall so happy. Open Gate Quilts, I think Monique and her team always seem to do an amazing job. Not disappointed at all in this year's box. It was the most expensive box I purchased. It was $269. But I do think the quality and the items that were in there were just amazing. So overall, very, very happy with it. Am I going to buy it for 2025? More than likely, yes, because again, I just seem to really always enjoy whatever she puts together, either in a monthly subscription box or whatever it may be. With that said, let's look at the final day, which is a nice big package, and I'm hoping it's fabric because, you know, we always need more fabric. She's given us a couple of really nice projects. She gave us some templates. She gave us coasters. It's been a really nice variety. But day 12, final day. So you know she wants to hit this one out of the park. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. There's a lot here. This is called Evelyn. It is a 52 by 64. Oh, it's an entire quilt kit. Guys, you could not ask for more. This could not have been a cheap kit for her to have put together. And it is one of her patterns. It is called Evelyn. Let's take a quick look. It says Open Gate Quilt. It finishes out to be 52 by 64. It is all in the reds, those reds and maroons. I could not be happier. This is going to be a fun project for me to work on because this is the type of skills that is going to help take me from that advanced beginner into more of that intermediate. Some of the fabrics in here are just beautiful. They're very that old classic that I remember seeing on my grandmother's, which I think is cool, right? It's this dark brown maroon colors in that. I don't want to pull all of these out because I'll never get them back. But she put all of the fabrics in here that we needed. This is their Open Gates pattern, which I've only done a couple. I'm still, like I said, trying to catch up on her projects because she always sends us so many projects. Sorry if I'm making a lot of noise. I want to get this back of the bag. You would think I could just do it after the live, but really, really happy with this project. Even better, she gave us the backing to go with the project. So this is a full and complete kit. Has everything that I'm going to need to get this project done. I couldn't be happier. This is going to be a lot of fun. So this hopefully will rise to the top for one of my projects this summer as getting ready for fall. So because I do consider these to be more fall colors, which is great. And so I'll try to get that done maybe this spring, this summer, and I'll have something ready. So if you've been here all 12 days, thank you, thank you, thank you. As a content creator, it means a lot as I'm trying to build this channel. I am so blessed and fortunate to have the subscribers that I do. If you're not a subscriber, please, please, please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to us, and it really helps the YouTube algorithms help figure out what you all are watching and what you all are enjoying. As always, I appreciate each and every comment down below. That helps me know what I'm doing right and what I need to do more of. Hit that thumbs up. Again, helps that YouTube algorithm. And you can also see below the other channels that I support, the ones that resonate with me, the ones that I'm tuning into. But crafters, I so appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate that you've been here 12 days, followed along with me. I also have my holiday quilting bee coming up. If you don't know what that is, look on my channel and see what we are doing on Christmas morning that you might want to be part of. But with that said, that concludes the 2024 unboxing for Open Gate Quilts. Again, Monique and her team just hit it out of the park. I appreciate all the things that they do for us as crafters. She puts some amazing projects together. So, as always, until next time, happy crafting.